fucking cold out here. AJ just checked before we left. Said it was 39. Definitely feels like 29. It's fucking freezing. Why'd I agree to this? It's real cold.
Fun. Bike life.
Bike life ski.
Squad.
Yeah, AJ still doesn't have rear turn signals because we just put that 12 bar on. If you watched my video on that, you'll see that it doesn't have turn signals yet. Hopefully we can get that figured out soon. But he rode without turn signals for like a couple months. I guess it's not much different than that. My neck's cold.
Yeah.
You had to feel yours to see if it was still there.
I couldn't believe you agreed either, to be honest.
Well, I thought it'd be warmer. No, it's colder. This is our first time riding with AJ's new rear sub cage. Hopefully he doesn't have to use it today for layover protection. Last time we were here on a weekday, someone kindly told us not to come back on a weekday. And here we are on a weekday. AJ's getting sketchy over here. Never done stand-up wheelies on rear 12 bar pegs before. You remember that last time we were here on a weekday and someone kindly told us not to be here on a weekday?
Yeah. Dude, stand-up wheelies feel like they're going to be easier than something else.
Oh Lord. I've created a monster by putting the 12 bar on there.
I mean, I know it's not up in the air, but I don't know.
I mean, for your first like 4 times ever trying, no, it's not too bad. Oh Lord. Is that the same car that was here last time to let their dogs out? Or they're just here to call the cops on us? Well, it looks like the best ones are probably right at my bike. He's gonna be pissed.
Who needs a handbrake?
Turns out I was behind my bike, so it looks like the best ones probably have my handlebars in them. Sick. Oh, here's another van. We're definitely getting kicked out, maybe, probably. Or it's just some random guy. Never mind.
I don't know where to go.
Me too. Try to go through the corner of a snow pile without dying.
Go through it.
Just like the edge of it. Dude, when I went through one at the park, after we ramped that ramp at the park, I went this way, and once I got over there, I realized there was a snow pile. And it was only like 5 inches deep, but it was like, it was awful. Yeah, I almost died on that snow pile. It's just ice.
Stand-up wheelies are sick. Definitely need a brake though, because once you're out there, like, you don't have any brakes.
Yep, you're right about that. Push them out into traffic. Gross wheels, ooh, gross. Why do people think that's cool, AJ? If your wheels ain't got chrome stars on them, are they even wheels? If your wheels don't look like a piece of jewelry a stripper would wear, are they even cool? Like a cheap stripper too, like just cheesy chrome fucking shiny stuff.
Somebody that probably strips at wrinkles.
Strips at wrinkles? Yeah.
That's my favorite stripping joint.
Here's some more really gross wheels. Gross. God, truck rice is the worst rice. Everyone that drives one of those trucks used to make fun of Honda Civics for having the same type of accessories like 8 years ago, yet now they are putting unnecessary stupid lights, fucking stupid ass wheels, doing the same exact thing just on a truck. Truck ricers making fun of ricers and then being ricers.
Truck rice.
Evolution. Oh yeah, truck rice is the worst rice. Yeah. New stickers are getting made tomorrow. Truck rice is the worst rice. Make sure you don't lose your Eggo wallet there.
Dude, fucking stand-up wheels.
30-day tags on it. I think they drove a Geo Metro before they bought that truck.
It's so much easier to get to your balance point. It's fucking sick. Have you eaten?
No, I had a granola bar.
You want Carl's?
What'd you call me?
Carl's?
Sure.
My bike's on, better make sure.
How to drive a Harley 101. Whap, 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 whap.
Stand-up wheelies are fucking insane. God damn.
What is it with you and punching stuff?
I'm going after the Dodge.
Do it. Or into the side of that Dodge. Oh yeah, that's really, really good. Truck rice for life. Let's do wheelies behind this cop. He'll think it's hilarious. Gross. Oh my god, gross. Truck rice is an epidemic. I don't know if AJ thinks that since he's behind a cop, speeding is legal. He loved the bell. AJ just killed it, and it won't electric start. Oh man. Yeah, I think AJ needs a battery. Something else to add to AJ's Grom repair list. Like the second day that I owned this thing, had like 4 miles on it. I almost wrecked turning left right here. Some pretty sick paintings in here though. It's the weirdest bicycle I've ever seen.
I'd wheel it.
I'd wheel it.
Damn it. Close.
I was scared that you were gonna pop the clutch and then you can go ahead. The car coming in here. Sheriff behind you. AJ just killed his motorcycle in front of a sheriff. Perfect timing. For some reason I was just like, he's taking some weird way to work. I'm gonna go ahead and head home. And I was like, no, he's probably following that car.
That lady was all shitty with me at first. She like pulled over next to that cop car and she's like, you want something from me? I said, it looks like you want something from me. I was like, you want a picture or something? She's like, I don't like you doing those wheelies and stuff in traffic. And I said, why? She said, because you're going to hurt somebody. And I said, yeah, maybe myself. I'm not going to hurt anybody else. She's like, well, I don't want you to get hurt. And I said, so you use your cell phone while you're driving in a vehicle? Like, how's that any different than me doing a wheelie on the road? And then all of a sudden she's like, I just wish you'd be safer. I'm glad you're wearing a helmet though, blah, 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 blah. And I was like, it's going to be all right. Like, I said, normally I do keep them off of the street, and I probably shouldn't have done that, but you're still using a cell phone while you're driving. It doesn't make any sense.
Yeah, I thought for sure that sheriff was like, he was like, beeline for me.
Yeah.
Killed it in front of him. I was like, oh man, that is the worst.
All right, I'm going to work.
All right, I'm going home. Bye. Alright guys, that's probably going to pretty much do it for today's video. Just a quick little ride we were going on. I figured I'd film. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you like the video. See you guys next time.